Hey, what's up? So if you found this video, it means you found my YouTube channel as well. My name is Máté Hunyor and I want to give you a short introduction, tell you all about this channel, what you can expect. So let's jump right into it. First, a bit about this YouTube channel. So I'm going to share my knowledge on meta ads and high level. I've spent over $5 million on meta ads across e-commerce brands and lead generation as well. I started my journey as a freelancer on Upwork. I reached the top rated plus, which means I was in the top 3%. I had a 100% success rate over 35 projects, but then I decided to start my own business. Now I have countless of happy customers. I've served over 70 brands and different industries. This is mainly in the e-commerce space. Everything is going to be eventually on this YouTube channel, even some of the premium stuff that I'm only sharing in my paid Skool community. In a couple months, I'm sure I'm going to re-upload it to the YouTube channel. So if you just give me a subscribe, I'm sure you'll see all my videos. On the channel, I'm going to share my knowledge about meta ads, everything I've learned over the years, all the new strategies that are coming out that I'm using currently, and everything about high level as well. So high level is an all-in-one marketing tool. I use it to build funnels. I use it for clients and they build their own funnels, automation, follow-ups. I'll show everything in a second, but I'm going to have two links in my videos in the description. One of them is going to be going to my free Skool group, but this place is going to be perfect if you are just starting out your meta ads and high level journey. So you'll find some results on the about page, some testimonials, some information about me, and then what you'll get is basic meta ad and high level strategies, step-by-step guides, and a pretty engaged community. As I said, currently over 380 members. Once you discover this community, you can upgrade to my paid community, which is high-level meta ad systems. Currently, it's $47 per month. The bonus that you get is you get a free high-level sub-account and strategies as well. And inside, we do live weekly calls, Q&As. You can reach me 24/7, drop me a message, step-by-step meta training, beginners and advanced as well. And of course, we have a high-level course also. You get a free onboarding call with me, a one-on-one call, and you also get free access. So you get everything for free if you sign up to high-level using my affiliate link. This is the sign up page. Currently, I can give you a 14-day free trial to high level. Here's everything that you'll get. Basically, it's all these tools inside one. Email marketing, CRM management, analytics, landing page builder. You'll see on my videos, I do weekly updates. There are constantly new features coming out to high level. So if you are interested in more meta and high level strategies, give me a subscribe and then check out my free group. I'll see you inside.